What's up guys, welcome to the 13th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse, and in this tutorial it's all about the for loop. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is go right to the src package, go to next and then click on class and then type in test, tick this and then go on finish and then remove this, and then we can start coding. But before we actually start coding, a for loop is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of time. A for loop is used when, or even useful when, you need to know how many times the task needs to be repeated. So we can start coding this. So when we actually start coding the for loop, we need to initialize it, use a boolean expression, then update it, and then after that we can put in the statements that are required. So we can say for int x equals 10, close that off. And then we can say x is less than 20, close that off, and then we can now say x equals x plus 1. And then this can be closed off, and we can move on to the next line and say system out print. So sys out, click on this, value of x, colon, space, and then plus x, and then we can run and execute this and see what we get. You see, we have all the numbers from 10 all the way up to 19. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.